Welcome to Farmer Zone Stories, the channel that reveals the incredible journeys behind the food and beverages you love. Today, we take you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of how Pepsi is made in Pakistan. From the very first steps on the farm to the final, refreshing bottle on your shelf. Our journey begins on Pakistan's fertile lands, where nature provides the finest raw ingredients. Clear, pure water is drawn from local aquifers, and expansive fields yield rich, sweet sugarcane, the heart of Pepsi's flavor. In addition, essential components such as natural flavor extracts, citric acid, caramel color, and carefully sourced caffeine are obtained from trusted local suppliers. Sugarcane plays a starring role. On local farms, dedicated farmers nurture towering sugarcane stalks using traditional techniques and modern machinery under the warm Pakistani sun. When the cane reaches peak sweetness, the fields buzz with activity as it is carefully harvested to capture every bit of natural flavor. After harvesting, the sugarcane's journey continues at processing facilities. The freshly cut cane is washed and crushed in powerful mills to extract its sweet juice, which is then filtered, clarified, and boiled in large vats until sugar crystals begin to form. This sugar is dried, refined, and packed to ensure that only the highest quality sweetener is used in every bottle of Pepsi. But sugar isn't the only key ingredient. Pure water is meticulously filtered, and together with natural flavor extracts, citric acid for tang, caramel color for its rich hue, and caffeine, every ingredient is chosen and tested to meet strict quality standards. Once all raw materials arrive at the manufacturing facility, they undergo rigorous quality checks. Advanced testing ensures that our water is crystal clear, our sugar is pure, and every component contributes perfectly to Pepsi's distinctive taste. Next, approved ingredients are combined in enormous stainless steel vats. Automated systems precisely blend purified water, refined sugar, and our unique flavor mix, creating the refreshing beverage millions love. Then comes the magic of carbonation. Carbon dioxide is infused under strict pressure, forming the delightful bubbles that give Pepsi its signature fizz. The carbonated beverage then moves along high-speed production lines, where it is accurately filled into bottles and cans. State-of-the-art machinery seals and labels each container, preserving freshness and quality. Before leaving the factory, every batch undergoes final quality inspections, ensuring perfect taste and consistency. Once approved, the freshly packaged Pepsi is loaded onto trucks and distributed across Pakistan, from bustling cities to remote rural communities. And that's the fascinating journey of Pepsi in Pakistan. Subscribe to Farmer Zone Stories for more amazing insights into food and beverage production. Thanks for watching and stay refreshed.